Magandang araw! Our reading for today is for Gemini, advanced reading for Gemini for the year 2026. Advanced reading for Gemini for the year 2026. And your first card is the High Priestess. A deed for an emotional current for the year 2026. Si High Priestess kasi is very intuitive. So, this coming 2026, you have to trust your intuition and your inner wisdom, Gemini. So, if you feel something, you have to trust your inner self. And your second card is the Eight of Pentacles. So, emotional current kasi yung naramdaman ko kanina dun sa first card. So, I think this reading is para sa love. I think, Gemini, you put a lot of work pagdating sa relationship para maging strong, ma-strengthen yung relationship na binubuo mo. And your third card is the King of Cups. You are entering your emotional maturity. Gemini, for the year 2026, nakikita ko na you will be much matured. Matured ka na the way of thinking mo and making decision towards your relationship. If you're currently in a relationship, siguro kung may struggles kayo, mas okay na yung magiging decisions mo or perceptions mo or pananaw mo sa relasyon nyo compare for the past few years na you're into it. And your fourth card is the Knight of Cups. Yes, ayun na nga. Yung emotional journey mo is nag-start na. And then because of that, nagkaroon ka na ng emotional maturity because of your journey. You have developed a stronger mind and a calmer heart. So, mas na-handle mo na ngayon yung situation. You are no longer the prisoner of your emotion. Mas makakapag-isip at makakapag-desisyon ka na ng tama. And your fifth card is the Page of Wands. Another personal growth card. Your personal growth is coming your way.